हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माय नेम इज राम कुमार, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्माकोग्नोसी, फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। Nowadays, we are start new topic, National Health Program. In this National Health Program, we are started HIV and AIDS control program. Introduction. What is the AIDS? Full form of the AIDS: acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and this AIDS is caused by HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. In this HIV family is retrovirity. This disease characterized by profound immunosuppression that lead to opportunities infection, secondary neoplasm, neurological manifestation, and problem statement of worldwide. According to WHO, HIV continues to be a major global public health issue. Globally, total cases in 2015 36.9 million, death 9,40,000, and newly infected is 1.8 million. An adult reviewing ART 59% and child on ART 52%, a pregnant woman on ART 80%. According to report, between 2000 to 17, new HIV infection fell by 36%. HIV-related death fell by 38%, with 11.4 million lives saved due to ART. Milestone of program. First of all, in 1986, first case of HIV infected. In 1986 and 1990, medium term plan for state and 4 metros, and 1992 NACP program first launched. Second program is launched in 1999 or 2002 National AIDS Control Policy and National Blood Policy is provided, and 2004 antiretroviral treatment initiate, and 2006 National Council on AIDS under chairmanship on Prime Minister, and NACP third launched in 2007 for 5 years, 2007 to 2012, and 2012 NACP 4 launched for next 5 years. First NACP first objects: slow and prevent spread of HIV through a major effort to prevent its transmission. Strategy: focus on raising awareness, blood safety, prevention among high risk population. The second point is improving surveillance, and then achievement: strong partnership with WHO, establishment of the state AIDS control cell, improved blood safety, expanded sentinel surveillance, and improved coverage and collection of data. Next, improve condom promotion activity, and Last is the development of national HIV testing policy. And next, second is a NACP second object, reduce the spread of HIV infection in India through behavioral change and increase capacity to respond to HIV on a long-term basis. Strategy, target intervention for high-risk group, preventive intervention for general population, involvement of NGO, institutional strategy, and then achievement. Achievement is first 1033 TIS, 875 VCTC, 679 STC clinics started at district level. Second achievement is nationwide behavioral sentinel surveillance were conducted. Third is PPTCT program was expanded. Fourth, computerized management information system was created. HIV prevention and care and support network were strengthened. And last is supports from partner agency increased. Now NACP third objects, reduce the rate of incidence by 60% in first year of program in high prevalence states and by 40% in vulnerable state. Strategy, prevention by TI, ICTC, blood safety, communication and condom promotion. Next strategy is care, supports and treatment, ART, coenzyme, community center, capacity building. And next strategical information management by monitoring and evaluation. And that achievement, first is 306 full function ART center is developed and 612 linked ART center. And second is 12.5 lakh PLHIV were registered and 4.2 lakh patients were on ART. Third is 3000 red ribbon club are stabilized in this NACP third. And last achievement is linked worker training model updated and condom promotion program were strengthened. Now NACP 4. NACP 4 objects and goal. Goal is to halt and reverse the epidemic in India over next 5 years by integrated programming for prevention and care, support and treatment. Objective, reduce new infection by 50%. And second object is provide care, support and treatment to all living with HIV and AIDS, and treatment service for all WHO need it. Now care, support and treatment of HIV. The care, support and treatment component of NACP aims to provide comprehensive services to people living with HIV with respect to first free antiretroviral therapy, next psychosocial support, Next, prevention and treatment of opportunities infection including tuberculosis. Next, and facilitating home based care and impact mitigation. And this is the graph of ART and model of HIV treatment services. And ARD Center 519, Link ARD Center 1073, Center of Excellence 10, Pediatric COE 7, ARD Plus Center 52, CST Center 350. Service provided. Antiretroviral service provided. First line ARD provided free of cost to PLHIV through ARD center. Patients are provided counseling on treatment and nutrition. Follow-up is done by assessing drug adherence, regulatory of visit, periodic examination, CD4 count testing in every 6 months. Till 2017, 1.68 lakh PLHIV were first line ARD. After launching of pediatric HIV AIDS initiative till March 2017, 1,06,824 cases are registered, and out of that 42,015 are on first line ARD. Next, alternative first line ARD. It has been observed that a small number of patients initiate on first line ARD experience acute or chronic toxicity tolerance to first line ARV drug. Those necessitating change of ARV drugs to alternative first line drug. Presently, the provision of alternative first line ART is done through the Center of Excellence and ARD Plus centers across the country. Second line ART. The second line ART began in January 2008 at two sites, GSTM, Chennai, JJ Hospital, Bombay, etc., and was then further extended to the other COE in January 2019. Some ART centers were upgraded to plus centers. Till March 2017, 8,897 patients were on second line ART. All ART centers are linked to COE ART plus center. For the evaluation of patient for initiation on second line and alternate first line ART, the state AIDS clinical expert panel has been constituted by DSC at all COE and ART plus center. This panel meets once in a week for talking decision on patient, refer to them with treatment failure and major side effects. Thank you. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comments box. I will resolve it. Thank you.